Today Queen Victoria has hit a benchmark of 60. So we are celebrating by making 60 idlis. I mean, on the weighing scale, after a very long time, she has reached 60 kgs. And if I have to do my weight, this idli batter will not be enough. So first, we're going to make these idlis. These are the last 10 idlis. Totally 60 idlis. Steam these idlis so they are nice, fluffy and perfect. For these very soft idlis, the mallepulu lanti idli, for the jasmine like idlis, we are going to make the chicken curry that will literally melt. So for this chicken shorva, we are going to use peanuts. Take roasted peanuts. Along with that, add some fresh coconut, add some water and make a fine paste out of it. In the pressure cooker, we are going to add oil. In this, we are going to add bay leaf and whole garam masala. In this, add a little bit of fennel. Fennel gives a very nice taste. Add onion. Okay, finely cut onion because you want these onions to melt away. And the only way the onions will melt in a gravy is you have to brown them. So add salt and fry the onions till they are brown in color. Now you can see that the onions are slightly golden. In this, add ginger garlic paste, add turmeric, tomatoes, and add the masalas, coriander powder, chili powder, little bit of garam masala powder, and also add little bit of mint. Add green chili and keep frying for 2-3 minutes. Now, when the tomatoes are also slightly cooked, add very little water, not too much. Add chicken pieces. Now, put the lid on and let it cook for 2 or 3 whistles so that the chicken is nice and soft. After 3 whistles, again I am letting it boil. In this, we are going to add peanut and coconut paste. So, add to this. Do not add the entire thing in one go. Add little bit, check. This has to be like creamy color and perfect and lot of gravy. So, that should be good. Let this come to a nice boil. You don't have to cook for too much time. Just 3-4 minutes of cooking and we're going to adjust the seasoning. Spicy, yummy. Finish the curry by adding some chopped coriander. My eye is twitching. I don't know. Without knowing, I might have done something wrong. I'm a little bit scared. For the idli, coconut chutney, and that too my son's demand that I make sweet coconut chutney. For the sweet coconut chutney, all you need to do is remove off the skin of the coconut so that you get the chutney white. Okay? And in this, you can also add a little bit of cashew nut. Very little. Pinch of salt, not much. In this, we're going to add sugar. So, the chutney will be nice and sweet and milky. That is when you will thoroughly enjoy with this soft idli. This coconut chutney, the sweet chutney, a lot of kids love it and even me with appam and idiyappam, I love to make this chutney. So, look at this, nice white and milky and juicy. Oh, there's a lot more here. My son wanted a barota for the chicken curry, so I'm going to make one and make sure it gets nice color. Then you can apply a little bit butter or ghee or oil. Look at the barota, it is so nice, beautiful color. Just transfer it onto the chopping board and on its butter back, give it a little bit kick. Okay, a little bit of punch. So the barota is nice and perfect. Chicken curry with this barota will be too awesome. The idlis are nice and ready. Hot idlis. These are the last 10 idlis. Very nice. Hot and spongy. The delicately cooked chicken curry. Look at the beautiful shorva, the gravy. Along with the idli, this is going to be super. The peanut, we love peanut chutney and all that for this, but the peanut flavor along with this chicken curry is going to be good. I made special idlis for you.
I want barota.
I made special sponge idlis for you.
I want barota.
Barota is for our son, but I made special 60 idlis for you.
60 idlis? For what? 60 idlis? For what? Nice.
So, one time you can eat like a lot of idlis and this chicken along with a lot of gravy. So you pour hot gravy onto the plate, but the idlis will be kind of melting in that. We got coconut chutney for you.
Super yummy.
Now I think I know what mistake I have done. I talked about Queen Victoria's weight. I'm like, when she sees it, let's see what will happen. I talked about chicken pieces melting away in the mouth. This is what it is. The coconut chutney, sweet coconut chutney, even this, will be nice. Sometimes you have to bring the kid out of you and enjoy this coconut chutney, the sweet coconut chutney. When the food is so good, you got to ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding. She came to know what 60 is all about. I said, I'm sorry.